Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with QuickBooks, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by clearly defining your sales objectives. Identify your target market and understand their needs. Next, create a detailed sales plan outlining your approach. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the sales section. Familiarize yourself with the tools available in QuickBooks for tracking sales. Set up your customer information in QuickBooks for easy access. Add your products and services to the system for efficient management. Use the invoicing feature to create professional invoices for your sales. Incorporate customizable templates to align invoices with your brand identity. Utilize the sales receipt function for immediate sales transactions. Consider implementing discounts or promotions tailored to your target audience. Monitor sales trends by generating reports in QuickBooks. Analyze these reports to identify successful strategies and areas for improvement. Adjust your sales plan accordingly based on your findings. Invest in QuickBooks training or resources to enhance your knowledge. Streamline communication with your sales team using QuickBooks collaboration tools. Regularly update your customer database to maintain accurate records. Leverage QuickBooks integration with other sales tools or platforms. Stay informed about QuickBooks updates to utilize the latest features. Finally, review and refine your sales strategies regularly to ensure ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.